If I would have known I was racing, I would have joined in. Oh, what the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about? I got 400 and something cc's here.
I remember my first crossing.
Oh, shut the hell up. I hate you, Shorty. I really do. I missed y'all's race.
You don't throw a featherweight into the ring with him.
Get the hell on. Just go.
It's on him.
Woo! Woo! We got a crew. What's up, Mark? We got quite a few folks today. Oh, what's up, Parker? He said he got it fixed, so we'll find out. Thing is nice. Damn it, Chad. Hear Shorty's bike from all the way back here. Shit sound good. Woo! Watch out for that tree, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Oh, God damn it. That nice X3. All right. Look at Mr. Keith in the Terex. The Outlaws look good, buddy. Woo! Ah, a little two-wheel peel. I like it. That's good. I don't know if the Dilly can handle that. Oh, shit. Woo! Yeah. Oh, oh, whoa, buddy. Look at that teamwork. Does he? Oh yeah, he sure does. Yeah, that's Shorty. Just lift him out of there real quick. Yeah, he ain't going nowhere.
I think you didn't get that on video.
I think I did. I think I did.
Hey, no water in the waders.
Yeah, whatever. No lie to us, man. Perfect. No, you.
Hey, Ren. They was in trap up.
Let that T-Rex pull you out.
Bring it on.
You gonna try to pull him out?
Yeah.
That ain't gonna pull him out, you think? Maybe it will.
I think it will.
Watch those fingers. Watch those fingers, y'all.
If they'll move out of the way, that's probably pull you out.
If I had the Rubicon, I'd pull you right out of there, buddy, but it's in the trailer right now. I'm right out of there, no problem.
It looks pretty tough right here.
I made a promise.
Yeah.
No more going outside by side for Shorty.
No more. Anybody got a tree saver?
No, we don't fuck that tree.
Hey, hey, hey. We gotta be careful with everybody on the videos. We love trees.
I'm gonna kiss it when I get done.
All right, there we go. There we go. We good. Kiss and make up.
You gotta get you some of that wood.
I'm gonna love that wood when I'm done.
Oh, shoot. Watch out. Don't run over Parker now. Wait. Parker's about to die. Woo! Yeah, he's just dragging. I don't know, buddy. Good God.
This is good film right
What's the duty cycle on that winch?
Not very good.
Okay. Woo! What's the weight capacity on that Nerf bar?
Not that much.
I hope it's more than Shorty's weight. Damn.
I never had a doubt.
Never. Not once. Admit it. There's a little bit of a doubt. there's a little bit.
It was really stuck. I was eating for a while, and then it wasn't eating no more.
Yeah, I thought Chad was in the back.
It had gotten full.
Yeah.
If I had a winch on my bike, I would show you how those mud bugs do it, but
I'll pull you out though.
you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, there you go.
I don't got any place to hook onto.
We got straps.
Oh, we got
straps. We can put the straps.
No, I don't want to make everybody wait anymore. We gotta go. We gotta go.
I'll tell you this, that winch does not want no more.
No. You were dragging it, dude.
Huh?
You were dragging
Yeah.
it.
What size winch is
filling
that?
up mud.
It's whatever comes on. I think it's 35, I think.
35. Hold on.
It's a 45.
Oh. There you go. That's good.
You're good.
Oh, here we go.
You chat. Oh shit. Y'all gonna have to winch him out too. Maybe not. God dang. Holy shit.
That's a bad motherfucker.
All right. Okay, Carl. All right, Carl.
We got Dammit Chad and Dammit Carl.
God dang it, Carl. We got some PCF in here too. All right.
So I can make that hump.
Hey, Dilly, move out the way. Dilly, he's going all the way and like you.
I'm gonna run over these tiny Can-Ams if I pull up anymore.
Oh, shoot. Miss all the trash talking.
Spencer, pull me up, y'all.
Try not to break the doors.
Watch the door.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, shoot. Am I recording, buddy?
Yep.
Is my lens clean?
Yes.
All right, cool. Thank you, sir.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that thing's nice.
Yeah, it's got
I heard those PCF guys are pretty good at what they do.
Yeah, I mean, look at the clearance in the middle.
Yeah, that's nuts. Whoa! Don't go jumping out now. God bless America. Oh, Dilly, you just gonna let him show you up like that?
I think Dilly needs to overhaul.
Damn! Damn, Carl! No, it's not damn it, Carl, it's damn, Carl.
That shit look easy.
Jesus H. Christ.
If you was with us earlier, it was Dammit Carl.
Damn, the thing's bad. Where the hell am I parked at? I'm all the way back here.